Dave, just a quick overview of what I put together for you. When we look at it, I'll do it in Lightning. Obviously, you can change it to Classic by just clicking on this little guy here and choosing Classic. But when we look at accounts and we select accounts, the tab accounts, we've got recently viewed, and then I've loaded in engineering companies that have shown up on the regulatory reports, and I forget how many there is altogether, maybe 100 of them or so. So that's a good start for you, and you can add more as they go. And then a couple other views. We've got, say, producer with pipeline accounts, and built a couple roll-up fields for you. So this one here is pipeline licenses since 2017. So that's just a license count that we've been collecting. And this one shows distances since 2017. It's not going to be all the distance because we only collect the first segment of the pipeline. But ultimately, it gives you a pretty good idea of who's been putting in pipelines and, that target list for you. When we look at contacts, select the contacts tab, and then come over to my list view. And then what I have here is we've got construction. I don't have that many construction contacts, but I've got it sorted out, the ones that I have, and they kind of have construction in the title. And then we have over here in the list views for contacts, pipeline, a couple hundred contacts that have pipeline in their name. And of course you want to add as you go, but it gives you the opportunity to kind of come in here and take a look at it. Again, you can select the account record itself. And then, of course, once we do that, you can see in the contacts, related contacts, the people that I've put in on that side of it. And the last one on the contacts is the engineering. So these are the people that have shown up on the regulatory process. I don't know how much they have to do with the pipeline side of it, but it's contacts at these engineering companies to kind of get you started on that. And then you can append and add in who you want appropriately on that side of it. So enough to get you going here. The other side too, on the dashboards, we can come in here and look at the well license reports. So I'll be loading that in weekly for you. And one of the things that you can do, and I'll just bookmark this for you, when you have a dashboard or report that you like, you can just click that little star there and it will bookmark it when you want to find it. It'll just show up there more quickly for you. And then I'll just go into facility, and then we've got our facility dashboard, and then I'll bookmark that for you as well, and do a refresh. So we've got the data in there, and there we go, showing up, and bookmark it, and you're good to go. So, and then I'll start loading in the pipeline. I've got pipeline licenses in there, but I'll build a dashboard for you, and you should be good to get started on your instance of Salesforce. And I'll do some more tweaking as the week goes out here.